Hi friends, welcome to Advertise. This is our new channel. We're trying to help people to work on different strategies for their businesses, where you'll be finding some effective videos which might help you to set up campaigns on AdWords, campaigns in terms of SEO, Facebook campaigns, Twitter campaigns, and other marketing strategies you can build for your business. We will also be uploading a lot of videos related to basic website design and stuff like that for small and medium-sized businesses. But if you need more help, you can see the details on my desktop below. Right, you can visit our website, which is aby.s. You can call us on 043 286 4455, and my email address would be aby@advertise.co.uk. Right, and in case I forgot to mention my name is Aby Sharma. Alright, so in today's video, what we'll be doing is we'll be working or we'll be telling you how to set up your Google AdWords account. Right, now Google AdWords is a very effective tool, especially for small and medium-sized businesses. Right, where rather than waiting for 6 to 8 months to get ranking in Google, you can just get ranking instantly. Right, and you can start getting results if you do things right in the right way, right, for your business, and you can build a lot of customer base from it. All right, so here we go. So what we'll do today is we'll start with how we'll show you how to set up your Google Ads campaign or rather account, right, and then we'll post more videos about how you can create your first search campaign, display campaign, video campaigns, and moreover, what else you can do with Google AdWords. Now, first you need to do is you need to open your browser and go to this page, which is ads.google.com. Now, the web page was already open. So if you already have a campaign, all you need to do is you need to click on sign in. If you don't, you need to click on start now. I do have a lot of accounts which we work with, like client's account and our own account. However, we will set up a new account to show you, as I said earlier. So I will click on start now. Alright, so it's telling me these are the ones which I already have in place because I sign in with my browser all the time. However, what I do is I'll click on new Google Ads account. Alright, so now things have changed a lot since inception. Previously it was a very basic kind of a thing where you just go like sign up, like an email address you used to sign up. But however, if nowadays Google is trying to push more into machine learning, right? So what they're doing is from the starting, it asks you a lot of questions about your business and what you want to achieve with your AdWords account, so that they can give you more insight and try to work towards it. So what are the main? So it will ask you what are the main advertising goals. So get more phone calls, get more website sales sign-ups, get more visits to your physical locations. Depending upon your business, you can choose either of them. Just to give you an example, say if I am a plumber or a locksmith, I would like to click on get more calls. If in case I am a website like an e-commerce website like Amazon and stuff like that, I will select this. And if I have a physical store, say I have a store in Ascot and I want people to come down to my store because I don't sell anything online, right, like a grocery store or something, right, I can just simply click on this. So let's start with this and see how that works. Right, so again it shows me there are two businesses which are already there. Don't worry about it. I will select new business. Now I will just pick up a random business, or maybe say I'll use my website, which is advertise limited, and the website name, which is www.advertise.co.uk. Even if you want to check out our website, this is how it looks like. Seems like it's a little slow. However, now this is showing up like this because I'm signed into WordPress. Or if I'm not, this is what it's going to look like. Here we are. Okay, so you can call us or leave us a message here. We can contact you back. Alright, so what I'll do is I'll click on next here. See what else it says. So find new customers in your area. Set up specific areas. So here what it does is it tells me or asks me basically to to choose an area from which I want my customers. Say I want showing an Indian address because right now I'm in India. However, if I set up a specific area and then say so what I'll do is I'll search for Ascot. Yeah, and say I want customers from around 40 miles around Ascot, right? So all I do is click on next. And which language do you want your advertisers in? I want them in English, of course. What is the business category? Say web development. I can choose only one, so I'll choose web development for now. And what specific products and services do you want to promote? I want to promote, say, web designing. Gives me a lot of options. Developer, this, and you can go on and go forth for as freelancer, simple web design. Yeah, fine. Now, fine. Next. Now, now it's asking you to create ad over here, which is I can create if I want to from here, or else you can create it somewhere else, right? So for now what we'll do is we'll leave whatever it shows up here. I'm fine with that. Click on next, and then it asks me for a phone number, right? So my phone number, I'll put it from my website. You can remember our phone number as well if you want to give us a call, and country is United Kingdom. Next, and pretty much. So say I want to put on a budget. Now it's giving me everything related to Indian currency because I'm in India right now. But say if here I can put say 50 pounds per day, right? So it tells me my monthly budget can be this, right? And next. So this is a rough estimation which the system is providing me based on the machine learning. So it tells me that I will get between 24,000 to 40,000 impressions per month. We talk about and then we talk getting clicks. And the campaign's goal is to get phone calls to the business. My budget is this. My products and services are this. Whatever we have set up in the last few pages. Alright, and then we click on next. Now it basically takes us to a page where I need to put in the card info, right? So I will set it up as United Kingdom. Yeah. And sorry. Kingdom, here we are. And then promotional code, if you have any, you can search for promotional code online. There are a lot of promotional codes available for Google. Name and address, I will be putting my business name, which is advertise, and my name is here already, right? And the address line 1, coding button code, Ascot, Berkshire, that's pretty much. So 5 and beginning, everything is fine. This is my name, contact details, and then I have to add my credit card here, right? Now, once I add my credit card here, it will allow me to set up the campaign. Now, however, I don't need this account anymore, as this is just to show you. So all you do is you click on, you put in your credit card details, and then just click on submit. Now I'm not putting it as I'm recording, and I want to display my information to you guys. So all you do is, and once you're done, you are ready to go. You can start your campaigns from here. Now remember, this is an AdWords Express campaign, which is basically on machine learning. It gives you a lot of, it's pretty much easier to work with. You don't have too much to worry about because the system takes care of everything, right? Like your keywords and stuff like that. We'll have more videos to explain you about those. However, to start with, for a small business, say if I'm a plumber, if I'm a locksmith, if I'm a very small business like that, and I just want phone calls or website visit or whatever, I can set up a campaign like account like this, right? And which will give me results from day one. I don't have to worry about things much. Hope you liked this video, and we'll be coming back to you with more videos like these to give you share informations about on Google AdWords and other topics, right? So as I said, you can contact us on these details here. If you need more help with your business, I will leave the details on my description box as well. You can click on that link and get all these informations from there. Hope this video helps. Thank you very much for your time. Bye. Cheers.